Good afternoon, my dear friends, and yeah, a bit more discussion about food, a little bit more cool information for you, and hopefully it will be useful. So we already talked about vegan, vegetarians, whatever, vegetarians who can be raw foodists. And what about the mono raw foodist? So probably ask who the hell is that? So mono foodist. So basically you eat one type of food per one time, per one meal, and you wait and depend what you eat. So if it's fruits or vegetables, and digest very quick, so after 15 minutes you can eat something else. And if it's like nuts or grains, beans, or digest hour or two, so you wait 1 or 2 hours. So basically you put the apple, keep it for digest, because what the people said, your body exactly know what food is that and what need to do with the certain ingredients. So let's say it's pear or mango or apple, and then you put some grains. They know, okay, it's a buckwheat or oats or lentils. They digest it, and after you put something else, and so on and so on. Maybe it will be helpful in certain medical condition. Maybe you have a problem with the stomach or any other digestion problem. I tried. For sure, I didn't feel any difference, except I was super hungry, but maybe I am just quite often hungry, especially with training couple times per day. It's might be fine. But if I feel lighter, more power, feel better, I didn't feel anything. Maybe I'm not such sensitive, but I didn't find any logic. If we can take animals, I didn't saw any goat, deer, cow, or whatever, elephant who separate the leaves or separate the barks or roots or grass and eat it separately. Of course, we are not the animals, and maybe it's not the best example. I didn't find any benefits for myself. Well, I might be wrong, it's only my experience. But if you want to lose weight, yeah, I eat carbohydrates, proteins, and fats separately. And in a month's time, yeah, you can see like you get more lean, all fat is gone. So it works definitely well. So if you want to lose weight, you can try that way. So mono foodist, it not should be only mono raw foodist. Raw foodist people who eat only raw, not cooked anything. So they just grow the beans or grains and eat it one by one, so make a gap between each food, and usually they eat a lot, maybe 10 times per day and so on. So yeah, it might keep your metabolism bloody high, so it also will be support your weight loss as well, especially fat losses. So even if you drink your oils, so what some people use just for cleaning, let's say you put in your mouth just the oil, and oil absorb all of the unnecessary chemical. You can split it out, and then you drink olive oil or coconut oil on an empty stomach. It go through, same absorb everything what you need, and at the same time give you a little bit of raw fat what is necessary for us. But if we not take like a cleaning system, we talk about nutrition and perfect dietary, for being more stronger, more fit, I didn't find any benefits, but it's personal for myself. But you still can try it, because in discussion, we can discuss many things. Until you try it, you will not get your own experience. I tried to be vegan and vegetarian and raw foodist and try the fastings, and of course mono raw foodist as well, and see how it's look like. So yeah, if you can afford yourself, eat avocado and durian, let's say, what have a lot of calories, it's pretty much easy. Can load yourself with nuts and beans and so on. So mono foodist can be and vegan and vegetarian and non-vegetarian as well. So you can eat fish, later on you can eat rice, later on you can eat, I don't know, cabbage instead of your salad, and so on. Eat everything separately. So if you're vegetarian, maybe you can eat like eggs separately, and then oats separately, and then, I don't know, cucumbers or whatever, and eat everything separately. And probably you will need to eat a lot of times per day. If you take a gap half an hour or 1 hour between meals, because usually you eat at the same time buckwheat, eggs and salad. So here you need to separate at least like half an hour, so you already have like 3 tiny meals. And another meal you do the same, you split it and have another 3 and whatever. A little bit complicated, especially when you work, so you have carry a lot of food with you and just eat it any time is possible, but it depends what job you do. If you work at home, maybe it might be possible, or yeah, it always depends what you do. But for most of cases, not really possible. I try to carry some boxes with food with me, like some pasta or brown rice, salads or fruits, so I know, okay, so I need to eat after 2 hours and I'm still on the road. I eat my oats or whatever and going, okay, so like now I don't have a chance for eat and I'm supposed to have like some meal after 1 hour, so I make like a protein shake and drink it and so on. So is it reasonable or not? It's up to you. Forget exact amount of protein, what a lot of people worried, oh, do I get enough protein or not? I'm gonna die, my muscles will not grow. Basically, yeah, if you have some muscles, you need enough protein for it. So same what we discussed about the vegetarian and vegan and raw food is food. So for mono diet, eat exactly the same rules, I would guess, but it's more complicated for get enough nutrition because you need to separate it and eat like 20 times per day or whatever. If you eat fruits, different fruits, like you want to eat bananas and mangoes, so you like split like how many, 15 minutes between at least for make it digest and so on. And if it like beans or other stuff would digest much longer, it will be at least 1 hour or even longer. So how long it, if you eat buckwheat can digest like 4 hours, or beans, cooked one. If it's you eat it grown, which is grown, 1-2 hours it will be digest, so it's still quite a long time. I don't know, is it useful diet or not? Yes and not. If you want to lose weight, lose your fat, it will be useful for you. If you want to gain some muscle, want a big guy, well, big dog or not, but still you can try. But if you will do it sometimes just for cleaning purposes, or maybe you do the months for cutting, for cut all of your fat in the body what not necessary, it might be quite a good diet for you. So basically in anything, in any system, you can find some benefits for you. Even like fasting, sometimes you can do for cleaning. Even if you lose a little bit of muscles, don't worry, it will become back, but you will be like a new coin. All right, I don't see like much more stuff to discuss about, because I already mentioned a lot of things about nutrition diet in the previous video if you watched it as well. So what next? Yeah, if you have any idea about what you want to discuss about any other food or dietary, yeah, maybe we should discuss a junk food diet, try to find some benefits. It will be not so easy task, I guess. Yeah, just leave a comment, maybe have some idea. If you have any cool information to share, maybe something about cool about keto diet, or I don't know, any other diet like apple diet. But yeah, some people said, okay, it's a mangosteen. If you eat only mangosteen, you will lose a lot of weight. It's really good for get skinny. But you know, if you eat only apples or only tomatoes or only cucumbers or only carrots, same effects. So mostly it can be just marketing, or a lot of stuff I found online. It just don't make sense, to be honest. And only way we can just check on ourselves. So yeah, maybe something will work in a certain way, who knows. But I wouldn't say I try like everything, but I try many things. Like not only be healthy, just for my own experience. Okay, I tried, I know how it feels like. Yeah, maybe I'll be vegan or raw foodist yeah, next year for months again. Yeah, why not? Not see anything bad, I didn't feel bad. It's alright. Do I get like a super good results? I wouldn't say so. Yeah, you know, everything comparable. So okay, let's talking in the next probably I'll make some video about the calculation about food. I know many people have like no idea, they never done it, they have no idea how much carbs they eat, they have no idea how much raw oil they, especially if you cook home and you have a scales, okay, you know, 150 gram rice and 100 gram of fish, and yeah, you make everything precisely, you cook for yourselves, everything super clean and super healthy. But then you go to some cafe or restaurants with your friend or barbecue place or whatever. Do you know exactly how much calories, how much protein did you eat, or so on? If you have a big experience and you can count on, yeah, okay, it's about 1,000 of calories, I will be fine. And here, 20% of raw fat, quite good, yeah, but I'm pretty sure a majority of people have no idea. And a good example, we overload with the calories and after have cellulite and so on, and I don't know, orange skin, what we don't want to, and not look with some reason like people who cover the magazine page. All right, so be super fit and super healthy. We'll see you in the next video.